Ladies and gentlemen, right now I'm on the southeast of Spain, the Mediterranean area. Being exactly, I'm in Albir, and we are viewing this luxury home of 2.6 million. Are you ready? Let's go. Ladies and gentlemen, property lovers, hope you guys are doing great. Welcome to this beautiful home in Albir. Come on in. So, where we are right now is a great location because we are actually looking straight out to the sea, and we are on the corner of Albir. So we're literally just 5 minutes away from the bars and restaurants walking that you don't really see that a lot, especially with such a big villas. We also have the Faro just here around the corner that it's 10 minutes walking. It's crazy. And the Faro is a lighthouse, and it's got this great long walkway to go all the way to it, and then it's got the crystal blue clear water on the side. It is beautiful. So let's go into the details. It has a plot size of 901 square meters. Build size, it has 497, and it is distributed on 3 floors. On the top floor there's a total of 3 bedrooms, a great big terrace looking out to outstanding views. On the middle floor we have another 3 bedrooms with a great big living room with access to the swimming pool, and then it has a big open American kitchen. Everything is super modern. It's got high quality, the Modiga, everything's electronic. You can control it with your phone. And then on the bottom floor there is also a game room, a place to have like bar and drinks, a gymnasium. It has also a laundry room, another bedroom and a bathroom, and access to another terrace with a football pitch to be able to play some basketball and also some volleyball. This house has got it all. And let me tell you one more thing. It has a tourist license, so it's perfect out to rent and for you investors. Perfect to live in and perfect to invest in. So let's start the video tour. So there's 2 access to come with your car. This is the first one. You got here a parking space, and then we got the secret one where I'm going to show you later, okay? Through here we have this beautiful garden. It's all full of LED lights, so at night we don't have any shots, but it must look incredible. You also have here from the infinity pool where the water drops down, so you have that nice little sound of the water coming. The home has great tiles all around. It has this glass balustrade coming up. On the right there is the palm trees and tropical plants. And then coming up here, you see this enormous wooden door. It is so beautiful how it opens up. Just look at the quality and the design of it. It looks so nice, I have to admit. When we walk in, you have this nice big open feeling when you come in. You can see it has that minimalistic touch to it. On the left, they've got the wardrobe to put your coats and your things away. Here on the right, you have this nice, beautiful dining table looking straight out to the swimming pool. I love the fountain, by the way. It looks really good. Over here, there is the sofa, perfect to relax. And welcome to the big, beautiful, modern kitchen. Love the black countertop, how it looks. Top appliances, miele. Look how much space there is. You got here the place to cook, the coffee machine. In Spain, we don't call it terrace. We call it la terrace. Got the barbecue area, this nice kitchen to put all of your things in on the bottom. And then we come to this part that is absolutely insane. Check out the design of this swimming pool. It is a triangle. Like I said before, it's got the fountain dropping down, infinity, salt water. We've got the sunbeds here that we have all day from morning till afternoon. The sun is hitting here, so that is great. And then we have this great big table underneath here to bring your family and friends and to have a great time. I can't imagine the parties here that you can do with the swimming pool, the barbecue and all that. Whoa, whoa, whoa. It's going out of hand. welcome to the place to relax. We have this beautiful pool table to play some games. On this side, they have the fridge with all of the drinks, air conditioning behind me. Over here, they've got this nice place to relax to watch TV. They actually had another idea for here. So you could have the sofa and the place to relax, but imagine moving the TV and the chill out area. Opening this big sliding door, they thought about it all. And be able to bring here your sports car, your Porsche 911, and be able to have it inside your house next to the game room and next to all of the places so you can have drinks with your friends. That is so cool. There is also a bedroom down here with access straight to the terrace, a bathroom on the left side, and then through here, there is also a gym, important to get your fitness in, have air conditioning also inside of here, and then they have a laundry room and another fridge down here. Check outside. And we come out to the terrace. Got the ping pong table to play some games. It's nice because it has this roof that gives you the shade. And then through here you can see we are surrounded by plants. And this was designed by Omar. He's actually a famous garden designer here in the CostaBlanca. I think I could say he's one of the best. He's done the hotels and everything around here. So I'll leave his link in the description of his website, okay? But let's carry on seeing the property. And also, we have a cool place to come and play some football and some volleyball. But how cool is this? We're close by the beach, but you also have this nice modern court where you can just play some nice games. And then over there I can see it's a place to play basketball. Check out this shot. We're back inside on the main floor where there is a total of 3 bedrooms, 1 ensuite bathroom, and the other ones are looking out to the terrace where the football pitch is. And they also have the 1 bathroom that is for the guests, and it has this nice black tile to it that looks actually really nice. Let's look upstairs. On the top floor, there's a total of 3 bedrooms. This one has its own ensuite bathrooms, a lot of space, and then coming to the bedroom, wow, so much natural light. Just look at the windows, they go all the way from the bottom to the top, and you can see incredibly to the Bay of Albir. Quick tip, you can see the sunrise from here. So if someone has to choose this bedroom, it would be me. Let's check out the other ones. Bienvenido to the master bedroom. This is like the golden place from the house. Nice big double bed, and this one is, I have to say, looking straight out to the sea. You can see the whole coast of Albir, and a little bit more through here, you see straight to the Peñón Bifach that is Scalpe. So you can see a total of 3 villages from here. It's crazy. Behind me, there is this nice big modern bathroom. Just look how beautiful this, with the great big mirror and the 2 sinks. We have the toilet on the left, and then this great big shower over here, and then a nice big walk-in wardrobe, because I know all of you women like this. Check it out. Woo! This is a nice terrace. Look at this. We've got the sun hitting me straight on the face. So up here, there is sun all day. We got the pagoda on this side with the chill out area and a table. Nice and chill. We've got a little bar area, I could say, over here with a sink and then to put a few stuff on the bottom. Some sunbeds here, all surrounded by glass, so it won't take away your views. And then look at this. We've got the mountains over here, the Puig Campana, and then we have these beautiful sea views, the whole coast, Scalpe, Altea. You can even see the mountains, Sierra Bernia. You have everything. Would you like to have your cocktail on this terrace and live with this amazing view. This listing is brought to you by CostaBlanca Investments. If you are interested in knowing more information, click in the link below and an agent will get straight to you. So check this playlist out for more luxury homes here, and click the like button and subscribe because you can't miss. We're making more than 3 videos every single week and we're going crazy. We've got so much properties to show you. So get ready. I see you in the next one. Ciao, ciao, viewers.